Hey everyone, I'm Lydia from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm so excited to share my review of the VAL CUCINA 7-in-1 Steam Convection Oven. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that steams, air fries, bakes, and more, this could be your new cooking sidekick. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes this oven stand out. It's a 7-in-1 powerhouse with functions like steaming, air frying, baking, sous vide, fermenting, and even sanitizing, all controlled by a sleek digital display and a single knob. The 1,500-watt oven uses Steam-Torrent and Convection tech to lock in nutrients and flavor, cooking up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. It's got a stainless steel cavity, triple-layer insulated glass door, and a self-cleaning mode for easy maintenance. You also get accessories like a frying basket, perforated pan, and enamel tray, perfect for everything from crispy wings to sous vide chicken. The child lock and anti-scalding features make it safe for families. Now the pros. This oven is super versatile. Steam veggies one day, air fry wings the next, or sous vide a steak for date night. The steam function keeps food juicy and nutrient-rich, and the self-cleaning mode is a lifesaver. Users love the sleek design and how fast it heats up, making meal prep a breeze. It's great for batch cooking with its large capacity. On the cons side, some folks find the air fry function less crispy than standalone air fryers, and the user interface takes a bit of getting used to with multiple knob twists. It's also a bit pricey, so it's an investment for serious home cooks. A few users mention occasional glitches like the oven pausing mid-cycle, but resets usually fix it. Who's this for? If you love healthy cooking, experimenting with recipes, or need a multitasking appliance to save counter space, the VAL CUCINA is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for families or foodies who want steam and air fry options in one. If you only need basic air frying or have a small budget, a simpler model might work better, but this is a solid all-in-one for most kitchens. Ready to level up your cooking? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those meals delicious.